Have you ever built this kind of stunning dynamic progress chart in Excel? Perfect for progress tracking, KPI dashboards, project monitoring, data analysis, and business presentations. And the best part, it updates dynamically. Let's build it step by step. First, type a title at the top. Type Progress Data Visualization. Merge title row cells. Increase font size, make it bold, change background and text color. It now looks professional because this is going to become a beautiful Excel dashboard element. Now in the cell below, type completion percent. Then in the next cell, type remaining percent. Perfect. Now format these cells. Good formatting makes dashboards easier to understand and much more attractive. Now let's generate a progress value automatically. Use the RAM-between function to create a random percentage for completion. This is a great trick while learning Excel dashboards and data visualization tutorials. Now calculate the progress gap. This remaining value will help us create the circular progress effect. Excellent. Data setup is ready. Now select these cells. Go to Insert and insert a donut chart. And boom, your progress circle appears instantly. First, remove unnecessary chart elements. Now format the data series. Set the donut hole size to 60%. This creates a cleaner and more premium progress ring effect. Next, format the progress gap series. Double-click on it and choose a light blue color. This color represents the unfinished progress area. Now select No Line for this section. Perfect. Next, format the progress series itself. Choose a solid color that stands out nicely. This will represent the completed progress visually. Now select the line color. Set the line width size to 8 points. Wow! Now the chart starts looking like a premium dashboard component. Next, reposition the chart and adjust its size properly. Small alignment changes make dashboards look much cleaner and more professional. Now insert a text box in the center of the circle. Link this text box with the progress percentage cell. And there it is. Your percentage updates dynamically right inside the chart. And it's done. Your dynamic progress circle chart is now ready. This is the kind of Excel visualization that instantly grabs attention and makes your report stand out. So if you want to learn advanced Excel dashboards and create powerful data visualization tutorials, start using charts like this today.